What if I told you that you could earn money while you are sleeping? No get quick scheme scams, just real beginner friendly passive income ideas that people like you are already using to make thousands of money every month. In this video, I'll be sharing 8 to 10 business ideas, real passive income ideas that are perfect for beginners, so require zero money to start. Stick around till the end because I will also share my personal favorite one that helped me to earn online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, a stay-at-home parent, or working 9 to 5, there is something here for you. So grab your pen and let's get dive in on into how to make money in your sleep. Is that right? So first thing of the idea is selling digital products. You don't need to be a tech expert to create digital products. Think ebooks, Canva templates, printables, or online courses. You create once and sell over and over again. To get your first digital product is number one, you choose a niche. Productivity niche, parenting niche, business niche, making money niche, any niche you are passionate or you are knowledgeable enough. It could be tech niche. So you choose a niche that you are knowledgeable enough in that field. Then secondly, you create your products using Canva or Microsoft Word. Just step by step on how this your product, how this your ebook can solve people's problems. So you can use Microsoft Word or even Canva to create your product. Number three is to upload and sell on platforms like Gumroad, PayHype, Seller, etc. All right. Every time someone buys, you get paid even while you are sleeping. That is where the passive income comes in. So if you produce your product online, your ebook, your video guide, and sell it in any of these platforms, you get paid anytime someone buys. That is first business idea that can help you as a beginner in making money online. Number three business idea is YouTube automation. You can start a YouTube channel without showing your face or even with showing your face. If you show your face, nobody's going to kill you. If you decide not to show your face, there's still room for you. So you have to start a YouTube automation. First thing you need to do is to pick a niche. You can start to be talking about, if you're knowledgeable about finances, about motivation or storytelling, pick a niche in any one you are good at. Then search for script, voiceover or video editing. ChatGPT can help you, your Canva can help you, your InShot app can help you to edit your videos. Then upload and monetize with ad and affiliate links. So as you grow your audience, as you grow your audience in your YouTube page, brands can be coming to you to advertise for them. You are making money from it. The product you are promoting, if you are an affiliate marketer, you can also make money on your page using your YouTube page. All right. So YouTube pays for view, and your video can generate money for years. So once you are monetized in YouTube, we have a 4,000 watch hour and minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Then you can be earning in dollars even while you sleep. Is that clear? Thank you. Your business idea is blogging. Start a blog about something you love. You love passion. You love YouTube. You love video editing. You love anything you are passionate about. It can be football. Create a blog about it. Food, you can cook. Create a blog. And write once and then earn through ad, affiliate link and storytelling and selling products also. You can earn through this. All right. So the steps required is to set up a simple blog with WordPress or Medium. Most of them you can have a free package or little amount to pay to set up your WordPress account. So Medium you can also do it free, or you can pay a little token to have a the pro version of it. So you set up your blog in those platforms, then write helpful content in your niche. Write helpful content, post it there. Then with time, you monetize using Google AdSense, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. Then use free tools like Grammarly, ChatGPT. They can help you write all this article without even you stressing your head. All you do is to modify it and post in your blog. With time, as you build your audience, people will start patronizing you with your Number ads. 5 business idea you can do is print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or journal and use them globally without holding inventory. So what are the steps you can use to print on demand? You can create designs using Canva or Photoshop. Upload this to Redbubble or Teespring or Printful. So then they handle the printing and the shipping. You can earn a profit. So it's actually passively. You can make money from printing on this. This one is to sell photo and videos. If you love a photographer, you have a good smartphone, use it to take photo, take videos of everyday things to shorter stock, Adobe stock or PZs. Focus on trendy topics like businesses, fashion, remote work, diversity, and you will be getting paid as people use those your videos and pictures. All right. Number 7 is selling an ebook on Amazon Kindle. That is where Amazon KDP comes in. If you're a lover of if you love writing, you can publish your own book on Amazon for free. You can write short guides, fiction story, or how to manual and earn royalty for life. All right, so you can start your Amazon KDP. I also have a link if you want to start Amazon KDP and learn how it works. Use the link to get that course. It's very simple and straight to the point. So the steps you need to do is write in your Google Docs or Microsoft Word, format it with Google Create, format it with Kindle Create, publish on kdp.amazon.com, and people get to buy it when they like your content. So that is number 7. Number 8 content idea is real estate crowdfunding. You don't need millions to invest in real estate. Platform like RiseVerse or Fundrise let you invest small amounts and earn monthly income. Just pick a plan, invest, and watch your portfolio grow. That is for real estate. So the 9th business idea is to create a mobile app. You don't need to code. Use no-code tools like Glide or Bubble to create a simple app like digital planner or budget tracker and monetize it. So if you create this content, if you create this app, people will like to download, and the more they download it from Play Store or Google Store, you'll be making money from it. So the 10th business idea is to sell Canva templates. Content creators and business owners always need new designs. So if you can use Canva, you can create and sell templates for social media, resume, planners, or more. So upload them to Payhypes or Seller and get paid every time someone download one. All right. So my personal favorite is affiliate marketing plus digital products. Why? Because you don't need inventory and the earning to scale up. I have made money just by sharing valuable content and helping people solve problems. If you got value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on to notification. I post weekly video on how to make money online and offline. So this passive income idea you will try first. All right, so watch other videos in my YouTube channel where I talk about a lot of business you can do. Even you can start with 20,000, 100,000, and so on. Till I come your way next. See you in my next video. Bye.